Welcome to the Accademia Italiana Chef, the only academy in Italy with 7 professional schools and European certifications. For over 10 years, we have been transforming Italians' passion into a profession, enabling employment for thousands of graduates throughout Italy and around the world as chefs, pastry chefs, and pizza chefs. The Academy is also an institute for research and protection of true Italian cuisine, as well as a university technology centre of the Italian University, IUL. We present the Master of Pizza and Bread Making course for foreign students. The aim of this master's course is to teach you how to make 100% Italian pizza and to graduate as an Italian pizza and bread making expert. It is a course taught in English that takes place at our academy in Italy. 2 weeks of intense practices, followed by Italian master pizza chefs. We start from scratch with the fundamentals of Italian bread making, the basic ingredients, the classic doughs, the different methods of sandwich producing making, focaccias, and multiple shapes of bread. You will learn the key principles behind a digestible and tasty pizza. From pan pizza to Neapolitan and Tuscan style pizza. You will discover the secrets behind toppings and their balance. You will learn how to roll out and cook pizza in an excellent way. As you continue to practice, you will create more special doughs using various types of flour and other customization ingredients, until you are able to create the gourmet pizza, the new level of excellence of Italian pizza. Easily, practical after practical, your skills will be improved and you will learn to make and finish pizzas like an Italian pizza chef would do. During the final test, you will demonstrate speed, skill and competence, and you will be graduated as a professional expert in Italian pizza and bread making by the Accademia Italiana Chef. Check the lessons calendar now and enroll on the upcoming master's course.